G'day guys, welcome to HARDND Builds. Been a little while since we've done a video on this. We've been busy with another project that we've been trying to finish up, and we're getting close to getting that done, so we'll be back on schedule. Code's on the camera, and the code will come in here and just show you a little bit of the rust that we found in this subframe. So as you can see, we've been doing a bit of work on it here, and we've cut some of that just to have a look how intense it was on the inside. And if you look over this side, it's pretty much the same on this side here. Okay, so we've just jumped over the other side. If you have a look, we've got these corners here. There's rust on those. You can see there's a bit of work that's got to come into these corners on there. And the same on this one here. This corner, someone's put a patch of some sort on that, and we're going to have to, by the looks of it, we're probably going to have to refabricate that ourselves. So basically, we've decided to go with Dino's restoration parts, because we've done a lot of searching around, and we found from the information he's the best guy for these patch panels. So we'll place that order. By the time you watch this video, it would have been placed, and we'll have a video showing the patch panels and what they look like before we fit them up. So I'm just going to tip this back of this subframe up. Give us a look underneath here. So you can see, I don't know if you guys have checked any of our other videos when we had the car up on the hoist. You can see there's a bit of patching that needs going on here. Some sort of plate that's been welded on for some reason, not sure. And that's sort of mirrored on this side. So the rest of it's pretty good, just needs a clean up, and we'll be getting into that soon. So yeah, just a quick video, guys, just to show you where we're at. And yeah, quick video to show you where we're at, and we'll be getting on with that soon. So the next video you'll probably see is the unboxing and showing you the patch panels that we've got. If you haven't watched our previous videos on when we split the car, give it a look at, and don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell, guys. Thanks.